in conversations with organizations that are spinning out the GRC team to have like a specific AI GRC or AI governance function. And it says, okay, well, your responsibility now is to help us address or build a compliance program to address ISO 42001, the EU AI Act, maybe some frontier AI regulations like New York regs or SB 53. And then we're finding now, as you go through those processes, that a lot of what we're talking about are privacy risk and control, security risk and control, integrity risk and control. And we already have standardized processes set up to meet some of those requirements. And so as a part of standardization, it's kind of like, all right, where do we federate those things back out to? And so I think going back to the beginning, if you're starting those AI governance teams, think hard about, okay, how much of this is actually net new in this program and how do we need to solve for that? And what can we leverage within the organization now that already exists to help us meet and build our AI governance program?